Okay, we're going to show you now how to put the door up in the end of this house. We got all the bows up. We take a post here that is
2 by 2.
2 by 2. How long is this, Josh?
99 inches.
Huh? 99 inches long, this post. It already comes with the kit cut like that. You take this here top connector that is angled to the low side of the house. You see how it's coming over? This is going to be on the, when we're standing in the house looking out, it's going to be on my right hand side. This is the right door post. And so this thing slopes to the right, and so this slopes to the right. This is going to fit the top bow. He's got one in the bottom that's straight, and it fits the straight 2 by 2 on the bottom. You can see that. We didn't paint it, but we got to. Now then, before you put those in, you put these 2 hinges on here. They're both identical. You drop one down towards the bottom and one up here. You can just put them on their post is what you do really. And then you're going to set that up. Now we're going to mark 5 feet from the outside edge of the right hand corner of the house. We measured in 5 feet and put a mark, and that's where we start that first post. Richard, you can go ahead and put your screws in that. Now you see now these hinges are going to be on the outside of the house and also over to the right side. Don't put them where they're on the inside. Don't put them where the hinges are on the inside of the door frame. They got to be on the outside of the door frame. And the people that we let put up their own kits, that's the biggest problem they have. They try to put those hinges on the inside of the door instead of the outside of the door frame. So you can see we got our first post up here, 5 foot in from the right hand corner of the door looking out of the house. 5 foot in, we put that up. Now then, we're going to hang this door. Richard, you'd have to help him get the 2 hinges together probably. That's a little bit chore to do.
Got that.
All right, it drops on there, see? Now, what we didn't show you is, when you get this door on here, you raise this up far enough to where the top of your bottom door, of the bottom of the door, the top of the 1.5 inch, an inch and a quarter there, you've got to raise this up to where that's just level with that, and you put a screw in here to hold this up. And then you come up here and you push this up in there and you put a screw there. Now you've got your door hung to where it's right exactly along with the top of the frame. Now we used a level on this to set this square down here at the bottom. We squared it in with that and set it up here like this. And now we're kind of showing you a little fast way that we do this door. And it looks awful simple, but there's a little more to it than just what we're showing you, I guess, for as so you get that top part of the door frame, the top of it, the bottom part of it level with the bottom part of the door in there, and there you've got your door set up against there, and it's hung. Once you square that door with this first post, everything else just falls in place. Now, something else we do, you don't put this door completely flush with this frame here. You've got to leave it out a little bit because of the heat and the cold, this expands. And if you put that up there plumb against it and it warms up real hot, then you won't be able to close this door. But you can see how we've got that fixed right there. We're just kind of showing you how these things go together. We don't encourage you putting up your own. We guarantee, we warranty it if we put it up ourselves. We will sell you a kit, but it's not guaranteed against the storms when we let you put it up, okay? Just want to get that straight with you. Anyway, that's the way we do that one. Then we go down to the other end and we do the same thing on the other end of the door. Now, then we have to put wiggle wire track on it. Okay, let the cars go by so we can talk. First thing we got to do before we start putting on the wiggle wire track, we got to put the braces on the corners, because if you didn't see, it would flop like that. And as this thing goes together, it gets stouter and stouter.